Good day everyone and welcome to another video. So today I want to show you how to use the SD cards for the TV boxes with Android 6 as internal storage. So before you just go to settings here, storage, and you could see whatever space you'd have, and you can install a SD card. So I'm gonna install a SD card into the TV box now. I'm using a mini M8S2. So we get this message as soon as you insert the SD card. So I'm gonna exit this, and if I go back to settings and storage and USB, we are gonna be able to see the SD card right here. But it is portable storage, it's not part of the device storage. Now, if you swipe from the top here, you're gonna see a button that says setup. So press that setup button, and you're gonna select use as internal storage. If you use as a portable storage, it's just like before. But now if you choose use as internal storage, it's gonna make that SD card part of your TV box. So a TV box with 8 gigs of internal storage like this one can all of a sudden become a TV box with 40 gigs of internal storage, which gives you a lot of options. So just wait for this to be done. And whenever that is done, it's going to give you this option here, and you can select move later. So just leave it to move later, don't move any apps. So now the SD card is working. Now if we go back to settings here and more settings and storage and USB, you're going to see that the SD card is part of your device's storage. Now I do suggest unplugging the TV box because I did try this before and nothing was working after this. So unplug the TV box. So now the TV box is restarting. I did try it before but nothing was working. I couldn't download anything. It would say that the internal storage is not available. So after you've restarted that, let's go to the Play Store here and search Angry Birds, for example. So we'll just download a couple of games and see if they start installing. So let's install 2 of them. So those are installing, and let's open the browser and download the file. So I'll just download this file that's gonna load right now. So press download. So everything is being downloaded. Now, if we go back to settings here, more settings, storage and USB, we're gonna see that everything is being installed onto the SD card here. So the apps are installed right here. So if I click on this, we're gonna see the app that we just downloaded. Now that we've tried that already, now I'm gonna go and see that file that I downloaded. So it's an app, I'm gonna install it. So just installing this. And now I wanna see if it's gonna get installed onto the new internal storage or onto the old internal storage. So let's go to settings again. More settings here, and let's see if it got installed onto the new one. So no, it's not installed onto the new internal storage, so it's still onto the old internal storage. So there isn't really an option to actually select that, and here we can see that it got installed here. So that sucks because we don't have an option to install apps wherever we want. Now let's try to move that app that we just installed, so the Antutu benchmark. We'll just open this and try to change its location to the new internal storage. So we'll select the SD card and then just press move. This will move the entire app with its file, so the entire thing is gonna go as a package. So now we can see the location right there on top being on the SD card. apps that come pre-installed on the TV box, like the ones that come with the ROM, cannot be moved onto the SD card. So yeah, this is how SD cards work in Android 6. And I had to check this out because somebody did mention that in a comment about the SD cards being installed. So as you can see, the app is installed onto the new storage now. Alright guys, hopefully this was useful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.